Welcome to October's Market Update. Let's take a look at residential real estate activity in your area during the month of October. The number of active listings was up 8% from 1 year earlier and down 3% from the previous month. Even so, buyers still enjoyed a greater selection of homes today than they did 1 year ago. As you can see, the median listing price for the month was just over $850,000. Compared to last year, the average number of days that units spent on the market before being sold was down 55%. This lower number of days may signal a positive trend in the local inventory turnover rate. The median sale price was just under $690,000. The number of units sold increased 9% year over year and decreased 25% month over month. Higher year-over-year figures indicate that more buyers have been finding what they're looking for. Thanks for watching. We hope you use this information to make smart, informed decisions in your upcoming real estate transactions. Feel free to contact us for more information or further assistance.